You ever realize something? Hackers break things, but cybersecurity engineers, they understand why things break and how to stop it before it even happens. Most people jump into hacking like it's a game. Install Kali Linux, run tools, follow tutorials, but a real security engineer, they don't chase tools. They study systems. Because when something gets hacked, it's not magic, it's a failure somewhere. A design flaw, a weak protocol, a bad decision. So if you actually want to become dangerous in cybersecurity, not just a tool user, you need books that teach you how systems are built, broken, and defended. So here are 10 books every cybersecurity engineer should read. Let's start. First, Introduction to Computer Security. This is your foundation. It teaches core security principles like confidentiality, integrity, availability threat models, and risk. This book makes you think like an engineer. Not how to hack, but how to secure from the start. Number 2, How Cybersecurity Really Works by Sam Grubb. This book simplifies complex systems. You'll understand how networks communicate, where vulnerabilities come from, why attacks succeed. It connects theory to real-world systems. Perfect bridge between beginner and intermediate. Number 3, The Art of Deception by Kevin Mitnick. This one teaches you something most engineers ignore. Humans are the weakest link. You'll learn social engineering tactics, psychological manipulation, real attack stories, because security isn't just code, it's people. Number 4, Red Team Field Manual, or RTFM. This is not a read and relax book. This is a cheat sheet for operators. It contains network scanning, PowerShell usage, Active Directory interactions, and persistence techniques. RTFM has become a staple within the ethical hacking and red teaming community due to its practicality. It is frequently recommended as an introductory companion for cybersecurity students and professionals who need a fast offline reference. This is what engineers use when they're actually testing systems. Number 5, Hacking: The Art of Exploitation by John Erickson. This is where you go deep. You'll learn memory management, buffer overflows, exploit development. It teaches you how attackers think at a low level, so you can defend at a higher level. Number 6, Gray Hat. Hacking: This is the Middle Ground. You'll learn vulnerability discovery, exploitation techniques, ethical hacking practices. It's both offense and defense. Exactly what a cybersecurity engineer needs. Number 7, Linux Basics for Hackers by OTW. Linux is everywhere. Servers, cloud, IoT, Androids, DevOps, and CI/CD pipelines. This book teaches Linux commands, file systems, networking without Linux. You're blind in cybersecurity. Number 8, the TCP/IP Guide. This is networking mastery. You'll understand protocols like TCP, IP, DNS, packet flow, and how data actually moves. And once you understand traffic, you understand attacks. Number 9, the practice of network security monitoring. This is defense mode. The book teaches how to place network security monitoring sensors, capture and store traffic, and analyze both full packet content and extracted metadata. It leans heavily on open source tools and shows how to integrate threat intelligence into NSM workflows, because breaking systems is one thing, catching attackers is another. And finally, number 10, Android Security Internals by Nikolai. This is deep specialization. You'll learn Android architecture, app security, sandboxing, and permissions. Because mobile security, that's a whole battlefield on its own. And that's the list. But listen, cybersecurity isn't about knowing everything. It's about understanding deeply. Don't read all 10 at once, pick one. Break it down, apply it. Because at the end of the day, hackers look for weaknesses. But cybersecurity engineers, they build systems that don't break easily. And if you reach that level, you're not just playing the game anymore, you're controlling it. If this hit different, subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.